Oh, wait a minute, hold on. You could turn it up. Okay, y'all saw the first setting. Okay, you can turn it up. Let me see how many settings it has.
And from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty.
Hey YouTube, it's Des and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, stop what you're doing and hit the subscribe button. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome back. So today, this video is sponsored by a company that actually sent me not one, but two fans to try out, guys. So the first fan, I'm going to go ahead and unbox with you. It is a multi-function mini fan, and it looks like this. And it came in this little cute little box, so I want to see what it's going to be giving. And the color that they sent me is actually this pink color, super duper cute. And it looks like it also came with a charging cord so that you can charge it up. And it also came with this so that you can, hold on to it and, keep up with it. So this is the charger. I'm going to go ahead and just try to figure out where exactly it goes in. So as you guys can see, it will go in here to charge up. And of course, you're going to, need a USB, charger to go ahead and charge that up. And let's just see what it's giving, guys. So let me see where the on button is. There's the power button right there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Okay. Okay, it's giving. It has like a strong wind to it. I'm not even going to lie, for it to be very, very small. And you guys know my daughter runs track, so this is perfect for track meets when I'm sitting out in a hot sun, and for the girls because you guys know that they're going to need it this summer when they're running track and they're just sitting up in the stands. And guys, it is giving me life right now because it is a little hot in here. It is about 80 degrees down here. So this is actually really, really perfect. So let me just put it by my hair so you guys can see the strength that it's giving. You see that? Yes. Not too much, but enough to cool you off. You don't want to be giving it too much. So yeah, so that is the first mini fan that they sent. And I think it's amazing. I really like the, oh, wait a minute, hold on. You could turn it up. Okay, y'all saw the first setting. Okay, you can turn it up. Let me see how many settings it has. Okay, it has 2. So cool, I really like that. And then it's just really convenient because you can just take that off and just pop it in your purse and just carry it on the go. So thank you so much for this one. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox the other fan that was given. Okay, guys, so the next one is this portable desktop fan, and it says it has strong winds, so we're going to see what it's giving. And I'm one of those girls, I'm always like a, what do you call it, like a cold body, so I'm always like cold nature. I'm always cold, but in the summertime, I be wanting a fan, but I just be wanting it on for a little bit of a minute just to cool me off and then get me to where I need to go. Then usually I turn it off, so this is going to be perfect for me if it works. So this is the size of it, and it also came with a USB to charge it up and everything. So this is what it's looking like. It's looking like this. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and charge it up. And it looks like the charger is going to go inside here. So I'm going to go ahead and charge it up and turn it on and see what it's giving. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I took this one out of the packaging and it is charging. And I did notice that you have to keep it on charge in order for it to work. But that's no big deal. I just wanted to show you guys. This is on the first setting. And just on the first setting, you guys, it is like a nice blow, a strong wind. And then this is the next setting, which is amazing. And I like that it's not loud. Like, who wants to be, next to a fan that's loud, especially if you're going to like sleep with it by you, which I probably would on my nightstand because it's the perfect size. And then this is the third setting, which is, even better. So I think that is amazing for a small, packaged fan to have that much power. And then that's it in the off setting. So yeah. So as you guys can see, both of these fans were definitely worth giving a try, especially if you're always on the go and you need something small, especially if you're one of those people who get hot flashes or just one of those hot nature people who don't like to be hot. And you know, summertime is coming up, and who wants to be sweating when you can just have one of these portable ones that you can take with you anywhere on the go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the information will be linked in the description box below. So go ahead and go on over and try these products out and come back over here and give me your honest opinion on what you think. Until next time, YouTube, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.